Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Audi Q7. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, and always engage the parking brake. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the tires that will stay on the ground. It's crucial to refer to your owner's manual to identify the precise jacking points. Also, have your jack stands, and a lug wrench ready before you begin. Finding the correct jacking points is vital for both your safety and your Audi's integrity. These reinforced areas are usually found along the side sills, close to each wheel, and may have small arrows or indentations marking them. For models with air suspension, remember to activate jacking mode through your MMI system to prevent damage. Avoid placing the jack on any part of the suspension or plastic components, as this can cause significant harm. Once you've identified the correct jacking point, position your jack directly underneath it. Begin to slowly raise your Audi Q7, ensuring the jack remains stable and vertical. Lift the vehicle just enough so the tire clears the ground by about 1 or 2 inches. Now, carefully slide your jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails, near the jacking points. Finally, gently lower the vehicle until it rests securely on the jack stands. To lower your Audi Q7 first, slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack, just enough to remove the jack stands. Once the stands are clear, slowly and carefully lower the vehicle completely to the ground. After the car is down, remove the jack and all wheel chocks. Finally, tighten your lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended torque of 120 foot-pounds, using a star pattern for even pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.